You can cook. Me sure say you can cook like me. Me go ask me do level 1 and level 2 na food. Me go almost cooking school. Come off for this. Come me not entertaining you, so. Me not entertaining you, so. Just come off. Come off. Me not entertaining you, so. Me not entertaining you.
Many I'm not the me and the chef in the place. We run the kitchen. We are set the place on the jam to be happy. Me make it taste so nice. Me a demand to cook up a spicy curry rice. Yardie belly a medium. Come check me radio station. Tuning at the vibes. Feel the job creation. Me a cook it up, yeah. Me a steer it in a pot, music and food. The combination.
Hello folks, so today I'm home and I just feel for some Haitian Pikliz. Yes guys, and you know Yardie Belly TV, I gonna make it, right? Because we don't want to go out from the store and buy it. So here I have a list of ingredients guys, and I'm have to make this for myself. Alright, let's start. I have 4 different type of peppers here. You understand? Habanero, Scotch bonnet. I have a very nice hot one over there. I don't remember the name. And I have a jalapeno here. You can use 4 Scotch bonnet, but I like the variety. You understand? I'm using half of an onion. And I have a bell pepper here as well. I have a lime and I have my carrot. I'm also using a little bit of ground cumin. I'm using 2 Maggi and I have a sazon. I might not use the sazon, but hey, let's see how it feels when I'm done blend up my tea. And I'm using some white vinegar. Over here, I already have my cabbage that I'm cleaning up, and I'm going to make sure some cabbage nice. I'm going to shred it in this. You understand? And then we're ready for assemble with Pikliz. Who like Pikliz? Let me know. And of course, Yardie Belly TV there for showing up exactly how me make it. So for this, we're going to use this side of the grater. You understand? And I'm just putting my grater down in my bowl like so. And then my washed and clean cabbage, we'll just start to grate up. You understand? Take out the bigger pieces and just get the nice small pieces in. If you're a good chef, you can actually cut this up by hand. And of course, never try that. Never try that cut up style. Yeah. Now, if you're skilled with your knife, you can go ahead and you can cut your cabbage into thin slivers like so. I like it like that, and so I don't really want to do all of it like in the grater. I like it thin like that. See that? Look at that. See that? See it? I don't mind it like that at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up this cabbage with this like so. So the recipe calls for about 2 carrots. I'm just gonna quickly peel my carrot, and then I'm gonna use the grater to shred these. Of course, if you are good at knife skill, you can julienne these and mince these up how you want, but for the most part, I'm just gonna go ahead and shred these with my grater here. All right. So. And of course, I'm using the way my hand set it because I want you guys to see exactly what I'm doing, you know. So there's my carrot and my cabbage. Love it, love it, love it. And I'm now working on my onion. I'm just gonna rough chop the onion and add it to the bowl. All right. So let's go. So here are my bell peppers. I'm just cleaning this up, and this is gonna also be rough chopped. Take off all of the little blemish them. I did not have the 2 color pepper, so I may not have no yellow bell pepper. I just have to use the green one I have and work that. All right. So here's the pepper. Yeah, pepper ready. And there is our bell pepper. Nice, right? Nice. But guys, you know, say I wouldn't name Yardie Belly TV if I never step it up a notch. And so we're gonna add some more things to this. And guys, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I have to add some more stuff to this. Watch and see. So I thought to myself, I said, how can I, put this up a notch? You understand? And I don't want my Haitian brothers and sisters to come for me. I'm not disrespecting your national, your beautiful Pikliz. But I thought, how can I push this up a notch and make it uniquely Yardie Belly TV? Look in my fridge and I found some pineapple chunks. I just peeled this pineapple 2 days ago. And I have them pineapple chunks in my fridge. And I say, why not make pineapple Pikliz? Have you ever thought about that? And so guys, this is where I take it to the next level. Yeah, this is gonna be my pineapple Pikliz. As I said, no disrespect intended, not trying to flap on a dish or anything, just trying to make it uniquely mine. And I see some people put sugar in their Pikliz, some people put different little things in their Pikliz to make it uniquely theirs. This is what Yardie Belly TV is adding to the Pikliz to make it uniquely mine. All right, so let's see if we can get it cut up and then get it sort out real quick and easy. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Yeah, my pineapple Pikliz is almost ready. Now it's time to work on the sauce. Yes, yes, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. So now we have our food processor. Some people use blender, I use our food processor. I take the veins out, the jalapenos. Then I'm putting all the whole pepper in them. Just take out the vein them, putting the whole of that in there. Then I have my lime juice, and I'm adding the entire lime juice, guys. Squeeze in my lime. All right, nice, 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 nice. All of the juice. I have a little ground cumin that I'm adding. And guys, I don't normally do measurements, so I just vibes it. So work with me, please. And thanks. My bouillon cube. Yeah, some people call it Maggi, but it's really a bouillon cube. Yeah. One. And I like flavor. You know me like flavor already. So try to get this open. Two. All right. I'm gonna throw some water. Just a little bit of water. Maybe half a cup of water or less. Let's start blending. And you want to blend all the way up, guys. All right, so I'm gonna add the sazon because I feel like it wants a little bit more vibes to it, yeah? I'm gonna add some more things, but I'm gonna add the sazon. And I tell you so far, guys, the thing turn all the way up. I tell you the truth. So guys, where it is now, I just added the sazon. Let me show you the sazon. Yeah, I add the sazon to it. And now I'm gonna add some vinegar and blend again, all right? So let's go. We're gonna add the vinegar and blend again. So there we have our Pikliz looking very nice, and our sauce just blended. And so I'm gonna start adding my sauce now to my Pikliz. I don't want to drown it, so I'm just gonna add it in increments and stir it in as I add. Yeah, I tell you guys, the way it all smell the way all things are going right now. Ah, my pineapple pickles, may I tell you. Let me keep on adding more and I'm coming right back, all right? Let me just go and add and blend this in properly and then I come right back. And there you have it, guys, my Haitian style pickles, yeah? We call it pineapple pickles because you know I add my little pineapple to it and thing, yeah? There is the finish, guys. Nice, yeah. And of course, the color is a little bit deeper because of the type of seasoning that I use, but I promise you, it's full of flavor. Nice, may I tell you the truth. And of course, guys, I serve it up with some sliced pork that I had in the house with some bread. You can use this in whatever you so choose. Make it your own dish. Make it nice. Make it flavorful. The pickles will last about maybe 2 weeks or more because it's full of vinegar. In the fridge, you can use it with anything at all you're eating at the house, guys. Try it in your neck of the woods, yeah? How my sound, how my look, how my thing look. All right, big up to all my Haitian family, friends. Big up to all of those persons who watch Yardie Belly TV. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. Look for my pickles, man. Yeah, Yardie Belly thing, I say. Trust me.
The moment of truth, tasting this Pikliz, pineapple Pikliz. Do I take a heaping amount?
If you can take pepper.
No, I cannot. Alright, so time to try. Pepper. No pepper. Nice, some pepper. I like it.
You like it? So you can go on everything where you eat.
Like what?
Like everything. You no matter where you eat. As long as it's savory, can go on it. Rice and chicken and pork and fish and vegetables and everything.
Wow.
Nice, don't?